My name is Rachel Roberge. I teach Principles of Biomedical Science.
My name is Jason Goff, and I teach Human Body Systems.
I'm Brian Wentworth, and I teach Biomedical Innovations, which is the last class in the biomedical pathway.
Principles of Biomedical Science is the first course in the biomedical pathway. We do some forensics. We learn different lab skills that will actually help as students progress throughout the program. A lot more of the biology, the chemistry, and the different lab skills. We study DNA and its structure, and we also dissect sheep hearts so we can understand the structure of the heart.
Well, primarily what students learn about is the orientation of the body and many of the different body systems. The overarching theme is about diagnosis. Students learn about each of those particular body systems under the guise of trying to diagnose what this person's ailment is.
Let out all that air.
Yeah.
And then do 2 regular reps.
As the capstone class for the program, it's very student-driven. So we would discuss a topic, and then the kids will just go do all the research. And they may make up a new invention, or they may have to solve a problem all on their own and then present it. And the course is designed to kind of give them experience with a lot of different careers that may be under the heading of medical field, not necessarily doctor every time.
So Principles of Biomedical Science is beneficial to students because it does teach them a lot of the lab skills that if they go into the profession, these are skills that are going to help them understand the biology and understand what cells are and just how to treat patients.
It does expose them to a lot of terminology and tools and lab techniques that they may not have ever gotten before.
So they can almost kind of role play the job of a doctor or someone who works in a doctor's office or even in a college classroom here now, so they can take those experiences with them and be better prepared for college. I think the most interesting part of the year is the beginning, when we bring out the mannequins, because when the students first get their mannequins, they are just plastic. They don't have any kind of facial recognition to them and nothing like that. And the first thing that students do is they need to actually kind of put a face on the mannequin. And at that point, their mannequin kind of takes on a personality. And so at that moment, students get pretty hooked into the class because they've got their own individual mannequin that they're going to work with all year, and they're going to install all of the body systems on. And so they feel very connected to the mannequin, and I think that's kind of a physical presence that allows them to be connected to the class and the content.
Everything is so project-based. Some of the projects have them think outside of the box, which is a skill that they need just in life.
They are doing it. I'm not telling them what to investigate. They're picking it. I facilitate and I introduce the topics, but they do everything.
All of my biomed kids actually have a group chat where they help each other with the work that we're doing in class. So
I feel as though I want to work harder at the class now because I actually feel more inspired to be teaching this content with a bunch of students that are very interested and active in learning more about it as well.
I'm also the school's HOSA advisor, which stands for Health Occupational Students of America, and it's a future health professionals organization. I'm extremely proud of the students I've had in HOSA. These students have taken what they've learned in biomedical class and now applied it to real life. Our community awareness team learned how to take blood pressures. They went out into the community and they held a free screening. So what they've done is really impactful to their community, and I've seen these kids shine and do things that they would never have done before without the biomed program.
You don't have to. Yes, we learned that here at this school.